True Believer by Jason Isbell is going to be played in standard tuning. The verse is going to be 3 chords, an F, a C, and a G. And then the chorus will be 4 chords, an A minor, an F, a C, and a G. And those are the chords that you need to know for this song. The picking pattern on the intro and the verse is going to be the exact same picking pattern pretty much the whole time that we're in it, in the sense that it's nothing but up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm sorry, down, up, down, up. So I said up first. It's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And a lot of the feel of the movement of the song is happening on up picks. Down, up, down, up, down, up, like those ups are where the movements are happening. It's keeping down, up, down, up, down, up the whole time, but it's kind of on the ups that the feel of the song is taking place. So the song is going to start on an F chord. I've got my ring finger on the 5-string 3 fret, my pinky finger on the 4-string 3 fret, my second finger on the 3-string 2 fret, and my first finger on the 2-string 1 fret. If you can let the open 1 string ring out, that'll be good whenever we get to the verse. And then also, not the verse, that'll be good whenever we get to the chorus. And then also I'll reach around and grab the 6th string with my thumb. Kind of a big chord, but this is pretty much the way that Jason Isbell is playing it. And so the chord will begin with, you can hear like a single pluck on the C note, the 5-string 3 fret, and then you hear an up strum into the strings 2 and 3, and then it's from that it's just kind of getting into the rhythm. So I would just kind of practice that rhythm right there. And each time my down is going back to kind of the root area, which is either the 5-string or the 6th string. So, after 2 down, up, you're going to lift your second finger off of that 3-string 2 fret. And you're going to do another set of alternate down and ups where you're emphasizing the open 3 string. You can hear how sometimes my picking is emphasizing the 2nd string, and sometimes it's emphasizing the 3 string. That's kind of something that's giving the song the feel as well. It's kind of an alternating where your downs are always coming back to the root, either the 5 or the 6 string, and then your ups are kind of alternating between strings 2 and 3, or sometimes strings 3 and 4, depending on which chord we're in. But on this first chord, it's alternating between strings 2 and 3. And then we're going to go to a C chord. So the C chord is, I am leaving my first finger where it is, I'm leaving my ring finger where it is, I'm moving my second finger to the 4-string 2 fret. And so now as you pluck down, you're hearing that the major third of the C note come in there, instead of where before it was this F chord, now we're in a C chord. We'll go down, up, and then lift up your second finger to expose that 4-string 3 fret. And then we go to the G chord. For the G chord, I'm just leaving my first finger where it is, not because it needs to be there, because I'm really going to block it out with another fret by pulling my pinky back, but I just leave it there because so much of the song is going to be anchored in these shapes of chords that even whenever my first finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string is getting blocked out by another fret, I'm still just leaving it there out of habit. So moving to the G chord, the ring finger goes down to the 6th string 3 fret. Your pinky finger will pull back to the 2-string 3 fret, and you'll have an open 4 and an open 3 string in there. And and you'll be alternating between always going back to the low 6, but sometimes open 4, sometimes open 3, sometimes the fretted 2 string. Almost like that Green Day song, except for kind of the inverse of that. Then there's a walk up, back up to the F, where you go. So you'll hear the down on the 6th string, the pluck up to the open 3 string. The open, 3 string and 4 string. Then you'll move with your 2nd finger to the 3 string 2 fret. And then you'll hit the open 2 string, coming back to the root each time. So we've got. And on that, whenever I hit the B string, I'm lifting my 2nd finger back up off of the fretboard so that we're going basically. And then it terminates into that 1st finger back down onto the 2 string 1st fret, and the whole phrase repeats. You gotta then put the rest of your chord down. Sometimes in the F chord, you can hear it as a hammer-on and a pull-off. And sometimes in the C chord, you can hear it as a hammer-on and pull-off as well. So after that verse plays out, the last chord of the verse is the G. The chorus is going to be an A minor chord to F to a C to a G. So that A minor, you're going to have an open 5 string. You're going to have your 2nd finger on the 4th string 2 fret, your 3rd finger on the 3 string 2 fret, your 1st finger on the 2 string 1 fret, open 1 string. And the picking pattern here is going to become more of a strum. And it's pretty sparse. The vocals are really pushing through a lot of this. The strumming pattern is pretty much just a down, up, down, each chord. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. You can fill that out by kind of going down, up, 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 down, up. But Jason Isbell, I'm pretty sure, is just going. So that's an A minor to the F chord, same F chord as before. The C chord, same C chord as before. The G chord, same G chord as before, where you're just really fretting 2 of the strings. Your ring finger, 6th string 3 fret, your ring finger is blocking out the 5 string. Your 4 string your 4 string open, your 3 string open, your pinky finger pulled back to the 2nd string 3rd fret. And if the open 1 is ringing out in all of these chords, it doesn't sound bad. In fact, Isbell may be purposefully pushing all the way down to the open 1 in this G chord as well. So you can see that if you throw that open 1 in there, it does kind of change the tone of the chord. But it doesn't sound bad. It kind of makes it, I don't know, some sort of a 7th-y feel, I guess. And then on the last chord of the chorus, it stops the strum and immediately goes back into. So, last round of the chorus. Back into the picking. So, those are the chords and the movements to True Believer by Jason Isbell. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.